It's the middle of winter. You're buried under 3 blankets, but you still can't get warm. Your teeth are chattering. Your toes feel like ice. Another miserable night trying to sleep while freezing. So you turn up the heat and watch your energy bill skyrocket. There has to be a better way. Introducing the electric heated blanket. Your personal warmth system that delivers cozy comfort exactly when and where you need it. This isn't just any blanket. It's a complete comfort revolution combining advanced heating technology with luxurious design. The ultra-soft fleece feels incredible against your skin. Premium quality you can feel from the first touch. Control is at your fingertips with the intuitive digital controller. Multiple heat settings let you customize your perfect temperature with a simple touch. Setting it up is effortless. Simply spread it across your bed. Plug it in. And with a one-button press, comfort begins. Advanced heating elements woven throughout the blanket create consistent, even warmth from edge to edge. Unlike regular blankets that trap your body heat, this actively generates perfect warmth. No cold spots, no uneven heating. Find your ideal comfort level. Whether you prefer gentle warmth or therapeutic deep heat, precision temperature control gives you exactly what you need. The programmable timer is genius. Set it to pre-warm your bed before you get in, then automatically shut off after you fall asleep. Convenience and safety working together perfectly. Imagine climbing into a bed that's already perfectly warm. The cold disappears instantly. It's not just about staying warm, it's about creating moments of pure comfort. Reading your favorite book, sipping tea, completely relaxed. While the world freezes outside, you're in your own warm sanctuary. Feel the tension melt away as soothing warmth embraces you. Your muscles relax. Stress disappears. And because everyone's different, you can fine-tune to your exact preference. Sharing your bed? Dual zone models let each person control their side independently. No more thermostat battles. Everyone stays happy. The gentle, consistent warmth doesn't just feel good, it helps you fall asleep faster and sleep more deeply. Your body naturally relaxes into restful sleep. Wake up refreshed, energized, and ready for the day. Better sleep means a better life. Safety is our top priority. Every electric heated blanket is certified by leading safety organizations and undergoes rigorous testing. Built-in overheat protection constantly monitors temperature, automatically adjusting to maintain safe levels. You can relax with complete peace of mind. The controller detaches in seconds for easy cleaning. Machine washable and dryer safe. Keeping it fresh is effortless. Here's something that'll warm your wallet. The electric heated blanket costs just pennies per night to operate. Compare that to heating your entire home. Most people save hundreds of dollars every winter on energy costs. Lower your thermostat by 5 to 10 degrees at night. The blanket pays for itself in savings, often within the first season. It's smart comfort and smart economics. Use it anywhere you want extra warmth. On the couch for a movie night. For therapeutic relief from arthritis and joint pain. Even while working from home. Stay productive and comfortable. Available in beautiful colors that match any decor. And multiple sizes for every need. Join thousands of satisfied customers who've already discovered the difference. Don't spend another cold, uncomfortable night. Order your electric heated blanket today with our satisfaction guarantee. Experience the warmth, enjoy the savings, and sleep better tonight. Stay warm, stay comfortable. Get yours now.